Have you ever wanted to know Oscar Valdez bio? While at the end of the video you will know about his bio, so watch the full video to find out, and also subscribe so you can't miss out on any of my videos. Oscar Valdez is a Mexican professional boxer, two-time weight world champion who currently holds the YBC super featherweight title since 2021. He previously held the YBO featherweight title since 2016-2019. Qualified for the 2006 Olympics at the age of 17 and became the first Mexican youth world champion. 4 years later, he qualified for the 2012 Super Olympics. He is known for his aggressive fighting style, punching power, and terrific combination. He currently boosted his knockout ratio to 79%. Oscar Valdez was born on the 22nd December 1990. Oscar Valdez's old trainer was Manny Robles. Manny Robles is a Mexican professional boxer from Los Angeles. He fought Shukan for the YBA featherweight title, losing by enormous decision. He's the NABF featherweight title holder. He also won over the title challenger Christian Ashkova. On Adam Lopez vs Oscar Valdez, from what I know, I think it was his hardest fight ever. Adam Lopez was very calm and confident. Adam Lopez was jabbing mostly to the head and had great footwork. Oscar Valdez unfortunately got knocked out in the second round with an uppercut. Oscar Valdez was being aggressive by throwing overhands and uppercut. Lopez got knocked out in the 7th round and making Lopez tired, which gave Oscar Valdez the win. Valdez vs Scott Quick. Oscar was loaded with an ambulance because of his broken jaw and suffered a broken jaw in the 5th round and split blood, and Scott also walked away with his own issues. Oscar Valdez won by enormous decision. On Monday, he visited Dr. Douglas Galen and he didn't require surgery. He had to rest, meaning no fights until he got better. He went 7 rounds with a broken jaw. Oscar Valdez training for Bashal and Oscar Valdez training with Eddie Reynoso. Oscar Valdez was running to improve his stamina. He was swimming because it opens an airflow and increases the feel-good factor. It brings an overall fitness level and tones the whole body of a boxer, relaxing every muscle as well during warm down in the water. Before we go to the next one, comment down below, subscribe if you did. He was running while using a resistant thing to improve his speed. He was doing setups so he could strengthen his abs. He was lifting weights because it promotes explosive speed. As you probably know, throwing a decent punching requires a whole body to move in a coordinated fashion. He was training with Eddie Reynoso by doing mid so he could improve his reaction. He was punching back so he could improve his speed. Oscar Valdez vs Miguel Berchelt. Oscar Valdez had great movement because he moved his head after punching. He was very good at exiting when he's in ropes. He was throwing mostly left hooks. When he hit Miguel Berchelt very hard, leaving him to get tired, he put so much pressure, meaning he was throwing power punches. Miguel Berchelt was very tired, throwing medium punches so he can get back to his game. Don't know what round it was, but Oscar Valdez slipped, and I don't know what round it was, but Miguel Berchelt got knocked out again. From what I know, I think it was his best fight. Comment down below if you think it was. Valdez's promoter is Top Rank Inc. Top Rank is a professional company founded by Habib Herbert Mohammed and Bob Arum, which incorporated in 1973. It's based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Oscar Valdez's new trainer is Eddie Reynoso. Eddie Reynoso is a Mexican professional boxing coach. He was named of the year in 2019 by the YWAA, YBC, YBO, ESPN, and also by Ring Magazine. He was training Canelo, Oscar, Yavi, Victor, Roberto, and Daiki. So now you know Oscar Valdez's highlights. Check this video out to find out why he's undefeated. He's known for his aggressive fighting style, punching power, and terrific. He's known for his aggressive fighting style. He's known for his aggressive fighting style, punching power, and terrific. Oscar Valdez is a Mexican professional boxer, two-time weight world champion who currently holds the YBC featherweight title since 2021. He previously held the YB feather. He won over the Lopez, got knocked out in the 7th round, making him tired, which gave Lopez got knocked out in the 7th. He also won over the title challenge. It brings an overall fitness. He was running while using a resist. It brings an overall fitness level and tones the whole body of a boxer, relaxing every muscle as it brings an overall fitness level and tones the whole body. It brings an overall fitness, as you probably know.